Today we're going to learn how to get out of a bathtub. Because many of you have requested, how do I get out of my tub? I can get in, but I can't get out. Here we go. I'm Lisa McCall, and posture's my thing. Yeah, getting in and out of the tub has a lot to do with posture. Who knew? I've had many requests of how can I get out of the tub? I can't take baths anymore because I can't get out of the tub. It's hard to get out of the tub. Well, let's just go there. Let's go there, okay? Let's start with, I'm gonna get out of the tub and show you how to get in, and let's discuss it, okay? So, I'm on the edge of the tub, and we're gonna get in. Now, I promise you, everything will go better if there's water in there. Common sense, but let's go there. So, if your tub is full of water, you're going to weigh less and move around better. That's the beauty of the bathtub. So we're going to make the assumption there's water in here, okay? So I'm going to sit on the edge, or let's just start here. I'm going to stand, all right? So I taught you a lot about bending. I'm going to bend and sit on the back of my thighs, stick my butt out so I can get in. Now, you're going to say, well, I can't lift my leg up. Well, help your leg. And then one day, you might be able to do it without your hand. But if you're all slumped over like this, that isn't going to work. Stick your butt back, get the leg over, or help the leg over, whatever works. Leg over, if you have to, you can help the leg over. It doesn't really matter, just think of that as a new exercise. Perfect. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to slide down into the tub. So the water will give you buoyancy, right? So I'm floating around and all is well. Now you want to get out of the tub. Well, we're not working with gravity anymore. Bummer. We're working against gravity. That's okay. Now, I'm going to tell you real quick that there's a video called Getting Up and Down Off the Floor that can help you practice this outside of the tub to, then use that principle in the tub. Maybe a little different, but still, this is where it goes. Now, you're going to need to turn and get on your knees. So I'm going to think of it, don't get rid of your water. Water makes you more buoyant, so it's going to be a lot easier to move around with the water. Excuse me. So I'm coming around, and you need to be able to get to like here, okay? Now, most people try to push themselves up like this. I can't do it. I'm tempted. Well, that's why. Because you really need to use your butt and you need some leverage. So you're going to have to, on some level, possibly get one leg up. Then, you're out of the dark. Now it's that foot that's up, the toes on the right leg, and all butt up. Butt up, get up. Okay, you don't have to stand here. You can just do butt up, and then go back around, and then get off your tush. And then we get the old leg exercise. Wee, wee, and you're out. Okay? Got it? All right. That is getting in and out of the tub.